Welcome to Athens Tourist Guide, your go-to source for exploring the wonders of Athens. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential tips for visiting the Acropolis in this year: how to skip the line and make the most of your trip. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. The Acropolis is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the world, drawing millions of visitors every year. But with popularity comes long lines, especially during peak tourist season. Waiting in line under the hot sun can easily eat up hours of your day, not to mention it's exhausting. That's why skip-the-line tickets are an absolute game-changer. They allow you to breeze past the crowds and head straight to the entrance, saving you time and energy. So, what are your options for skip-the-line tickets in this year? Let's break it down. Single entry ticket. This gets you direct access to the Acropolis and its slopes, including iconic sites like the Parthenon and the Temple of Athena Nike. Combo ticket. If you're planning to explore more of Athens, consider the combo ticket. It includes skip-the-line access to the Acropolis and 6 other archaeological sites, like the ancient Agora and the Roman Agora. Guided tour packages. Want a more in-depth experience? Guided tours often come with skip-the-line privileges, plus you'll get expert insights from a local guide. It's like having your personal historian. Now let's talk about where to buy these tickets. The best and most reliable place is the official website. Here's how you do it. Visit the Acropolis ticket website. We've included the link in the description below. Choose your ticket type. Select the type of ticket that suits your itinerary. Remember, combo tickets are great if you're planning to explore multiple sites. Select your date and time. This is important. Pre-selecting a time slot helps you avoid peak hours. Secure payment and download. Once you've paid, your tickets will be sent to your email. Just download and either print them out or keep them on your phone. Alright, you've got your skip-the-line tickets, now what? Here are a few quick tips. Arrive early. Even with skip-the-line tickets, arriving early means fewer crowds inside the site. Stay hydrated and wear sunscreen. The Acropolis is mostly exposed to the sun, so come prepared. Plan your visit. The Acropolis is vast, so plan which monuments you want to see first. The Parthenon is a must, but don't miss out on other treasures like the Erechtheion and the Theater of Dionysus. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about getting and using skip-the-line tickets for the Acropolis in this year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on exploring Athens. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trip to the Acropolis.